We've arrived.
Chase that high that you provide. Drive 9-5 to feel alive. Tell my mind to flow like tide. It's hard. Starlight.
Perfect weather for USJ.
We are gonna go to Family Mart to eat breakfast or to buy something for breakfast.
Right. We've arrived.
Studio store. Oh,
What am I looking at? Princess Peach and Mario. Yeah. Yeah. We got our bracelets. You're the Princess Peach, I'm Mario. Wow.
Skies so blue past the evergreen. Tell me, baby, do you see? I see every little thing. Tell me, baby, feel the wind driving fast down past your street. Tell me now, what can you see? I see every little thing. Tell me, babe, you feel the wind.
Ang klase ni Israel pa.
Cruise control won't take me home, or will it make you mine? Had the wheel, but I let it go, 'cause I don't have the drive. Chasing the trailers, got no papers, 'cause you don't have time.
Gagaling po namin sa Arizondo. Inom na kami ng tubig.
sobrang sulit ng express pass.
Sobra. Ang waiting time was around 5 minutes lang. Siguro 10 minutes max.
Yep.
Kaya namin is yung Kubas Challenge tsaka yung Yogi. Both maganda. Yeah. Saka ako yung nanalo. Ang score was
Wala lasa.
talaga. Papansin ko. Ang score was 98 kay Mani is 84.
Ako ang magdability. Ako, 98
So ito yung car ng BCs. Sasakay daw dyan si Manny, papunta sa Hogwarts.
line. This is really butter here.
So, ito na ba yung diagonal? Ollivanders yung bilihan ng 1. So, asan dito yung Hogwarts? Sarap. This is the butter beer. Okay.
Walang cherry blossom.
Sad ikaw. Ako din.
Sabi late eh.
Wala ka. Wala kaming abutang cherry blossom, pero all the same, maganda pa rin yung lugar. Wow! Amazing. Ang ganda.
That's why, yeah, it's a very sensitive. It's the same as
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so we will be ordering this one. This is the name of the restaurant, by the way, is Graham. Ano to? Cafe and Pancakes. So
Which is malapit lang sa Osaka Castle.
yeah, 14-minute walk. And then we're gonna order this one, and then this one, bacon and scrambled eggs. This is different from Happy Pancake ha. Na trinay namin ng first full day namin. So that's the price.
Iano mo muna, spread mo muna yung butter mo. Syrup po, hindi tomato syrup. Dito pala. Gawin yung ginawa mo sa boka. Yung pinahin. Malambot yung sa ano, no? Sa Happy Pancake, Hanare.
Ito pa rin siya.
Makapin ka.
Pero mas nakasabang sa Happy Pancake.
Hanare.
Food was so-so.
Food was so-so.
Sarap pa rin si Happy Pancakes. So we're off to Starbucks to grab some coffee. Okay, that's the Starbucks sa Osaka Castle. Ah, okay, ito. Okay, so we bought a breakfast blend na coffee beans here. Tapos, pinatry kami ng barista ng Thai taste. And they also gave us a sample for Colombia. Nothing beats their hospitality talaga. Sorry.
It's fine, pero hindi ako. Medyo.
Okay, so naiwan ko yung bag ko dun sa Graham. Graham pala. Si Zeus tumakbo. Well, yeah, ang lapit lang namin. Sorry, Zeus.
It's fine. Hindi ka ma-worry. Actually, pag
Yeah.
dito ko sa Japan, hindi
Yeah.
ka ma-worry kaya iwan mo lang yung mga gamit mo.
Nilagay ko lang siya dun sa basket.
Same exact spot, andun lang.
Yeah, so pagbalik ni Zeus, same exact spot. Andun pa rin siya sa basket. But anyway, no.
Got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think in my head that any day
Yun yung takoyaki spot.
no, I don't.
Sarap. Tagal mo nakakomment. Ang init siguro ba?
Falling for you, falling for you. Tell
Winner.
me, do you love hard courtyard? Dressing white one day on a tightrope. My mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for
So
you.
that's our first stop.
Tell me, do you said things were different? What made you change it up? How could I believe what you showed me?
It's high ball.
Dangerous. Toss up heavy lost the trace. How could I see nothing nice to be?
This is
Steps
apple
away,
pie.
going like that. Back for set the score. What are we here for? Hardcore contact. Can't help these feelings that I got me falling like that.
Okay, this is Kushi.
Spark didn't know that love could feel so far. How could I believe you're not in front of me? Crazy like an animal, stays every time I close. How could I not see you're not the man you used to be? Headed your way, got me falling for you, for you, falling for you. Tell me, do
Look at Japan at 6:38 p.m.
courtyard, dressed in white one day. The time blow my mind, spinning, please wait. What do I know I don't? Headed your way, got me falling for you, for you.
Sakto na dyan sa yuta diri.
May laman na yung tiyan natin.
The aftermath of Crimea. Hindi po ako ang may kasalanan nito. Siya po.
In my defense, malambot naman kasi yung cone. Hindi po ako normally careless. Alam niyo kung sino yung careless.
Ang harap niya. Ang
Sarap. Medyo nagduda pa kami kung ito ba yung legit na Crimea. Kasi nasa...
Dalawa kasi yung Crimea dito, no?
Kasi yung store na pinagbilhan namin ito, yung binibenta nila is tanghulo. Parang second product lang nila yung ano, Crimea. Pero masarap. I think legit to. Maybe you also want to try tanghulo?
No! Diyan kami bumili ng Crimea. Sarap naman. Wala nang sigurong peking Crimea dito, no? Sobrang layo na sa Hong Kong. Lang sa pag kumakain. But anyway, lami kayo. Mag-share ko kay Hurut. Gutom yarn. Sige, wait lang. Hi everyone, we're back here at the hotel. It's already our third day. Third day ba?
Yes.
Third day. Today's itinerary was...
Chill day lang po din. Hindi, pumunta kami.
No, pumunta kami ng Osaka Castle. And then we went to Dotonbori for food trip. Sorry yung lipstick ko. But sobrang sarap na mga pagkain doon. Hindi naman lahat kinain namin, but lahat ng mga na-try namin doon, masarap. I highly suggest na wag niyong anuhin. Huwag kayong kumain ng lunch. Pwedeng breakfast. Tapos doon na kayo mag-start ng around 4 p.m. But depende din naman sa inyo. Pero yun kasi yung nakita kong pwede namin gawin. Kasi when we first went to Dotonbori ng around 8 p.m., wala na masyadong mga open na mga stores or mga nagbibenta ng mga pagkain. So what we did is we checked again the next day. Pero still, ang daming tao. Plus, ang iba, nagko-close na yung mga stores din. So, today, it was really early, like around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Andun na kami and we started with the gyoza. Mabilis lang din yung pila. And then, we ended our food trip today with ice cream from Family Mart. So, tomorrow's itinerary would be Kyoto. So, we have to wake up early.
Here.
Huh?
Earlier.
Wake up early. We have to wake up earlier. So, probably by 5:30 a.m. gising na kami so that we will be able to travel to Kyoto. Kasi hindi ko alam, parang 1 hour ba yun na travel. But anyway, I'll update you tomorrow. Thank you so much. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Tapos,
Ito pala yung mga pinambibili namin since day 1. We have GU. We bought something from Todd's. Also from Gap. The good thing about Gap is they have like customization. Tama yun. Sakto, customization. And then, ito talaga yung gustong-gusto kong bilhin. Papakita ko lang. I really wanted to try this cleansing oil. This is from Shuyomura cleansing oil. Ayoko na lang ipakita yung mga GU haul. Yung mga GU na sakto ba? GU haul. Yan pala yung area namin ng mga maleta. This one is from Cosme. Hold on. Quick lang, ipapakita ko yung mga nabili ko sa Cosme. Sa Cosme kasi, when we went there, meron pala silang ranking. So, you can easily check kung ano yung mga top na selling products nila. Like on skincare, they have it in per category or subcategory ng skincare, like moisturizer, serum, what else, lotion. And then for hair care products naman, they would indicate top products nila for shampoo or conditioner or treatment. Doon ako masyadong natagalan sa skincare. They also have like top products nila for makeup. But I'll let you see I'll let you see ano yung mga napamili ko, but hindi ko na siya pwedeng buksan because the policy they have if you're gonna be availing of the tax-free is hindi mo siya pwedeng i-consume dito sa Japan. So, oh my God. First things first, this one. Sayang, gusto kong bilhin yung malaki pero hindi available. But I've been using this Bioderma. Teka, sandali.
Bakit? Tama.
Sorry, may inayos lang saglit sa camera. But, ito, una kong binili, Bioderma na micellar water makeup remover. I've been using this for like 2 years na. And the last time na nakabili ako nito was sa Hong Kong. Mas mura siya. Pero pwede naman kayong bumili sa Landers nito. Ito na yung pinaka malaki na hindi ko na pwedeng buksan. Ayan! Look! Hindi ko na siya i-open kasi nga bawal. And, ayan. Ito yung nasa top 3 list nila. Itong And Honey Melty Moisture Repair or Moist Repair Treatment and the Moist Repair Shampoo. Ito naman is the Shiseido na baby powder. Been using this as well for like more than 2 years already since I stopped using Johnson's baby powder. Kasi parang lumala yung whiteheads ko. So, I looked for an alternative and na-discover ko to. Sobrang love ko to. And matagal ko na rin gustong bumili ng exfoliating, ang tawag nito? Exfoliating body scrub na Dove. And hindi ko makita sa Cebu. So, nakita ko to. This is in Sakura and Musk. And the other one is in parang kiwi something. I also bought like Can-Make na pressed powder. Other stuff here are like from Zeus din. Pero, yun lang yung mga nabili ko. Mostly skincare talaga. And that's it. And, ang bigat lang yung box.
Ilang ano na kaya ito? Hindi ko mabuksan.
Kaya nga, hindi siya masyadong maano. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. I-insert ko lang to.
Ba't 500 lang ibabayad ko?
Hindi ko sinabi, Zeus, na bumili ka, Zeus. Okay, akin lang yung Zeus.
Bakit? Kasi tago yan. Ang nasa labas yung dapat mong plantsahin.
Nag-i-effort ako ng mali.
You wasted like 10 minutes ng
Yes! I
pagpa-plantsa
wasted
mo.
10 minutes.
Smile without your eyes.